Yes. Roar. Shake it. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Ah. How's your head, man? Is it getting cold? You're pinching it. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Oh. I like it. This is gonna be a good one for you guys. How old is this tree? A few years old. So what was it like?
It was amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah? How do you feel right now?
Like a man.
Like a man. What does that feel like?
Testosterone pulsating through my veins.
What kind of tree do you want to get? A big one? A big one? Taylor, what kind of tree do you want? Oh, cool. That'll be good. Emery? Oh, Emery's awake. That's great. Autumn? Molly's having fun. She's gonna sniff out the tree of our dreams.